Our top story is coming from Bihar, which has seen not one but two train derailments this morning.
That's right, the train engine in the first accident which took place on the Rajdhani-Dibrugarh Express. That engine along with 12 coaches of that train derailed. 4 people have been killed and 8 others injured in that incident. The railway suspect foul play behind the derailment. They are saying that the Naxals could be responsible for that attack. Railway Minister Sadanand Gowda has announced a compensation of 2 lakh rupees for the kin of the deceased. He has also said that the railways would be investigating like they're suspecting if any foul play was involved. According to the railways, 5 out of the 12 bogies overturned. The remaining 7 then derailed. The accident took place near Chhapra in Bihar. Railway relief and rescue teams have also reached the spot and the injured have been taken to the hospital in Chhapra. Meanwhile, as Shreya just said, that there's news of another goods train derailing at Motihari in Bihar. Initial reports say that this could be a sabotage by the Naxals as well.
ब्रेक लेते ही ऐसे ही 5-7 डिब्बे बिल्कुल बम ब्लास्ट होते चले गए, पटरी से नीचे आ गए और करीब कुछ आदमी भी बहुत ज्यादा घायल हो गए और बच्चे भी कुछ हो गए, 7-8 बॉडी भी ब्लास्ट हो चुकी हैं और हमारी जनता मान लो प्रॉब्लम में फंसी हुई है।
अभी सब आए हैं, अभी आके सब देख रहे हैं डिब्बे से और भी जो भीतर फंसे हुए उनको निकलवाने की कोशिश हो रही है। मतलब मोटे तो कम से कम 2 दिन तो मेरे सामने डेड बॉडी गई है। पता ही नहीं लगा जो रात के टाइम में उस समय जो ज्यादा एकदम सीरियस घायल थे वो जैसे तैसे उठा के लेके गए हैं। मतलब अभी रेस्क्यू भी अभी ऑपरेशन चालू, भीतर डब्बे से निकलवा रहे हैं। ज्यादा सीरियस है जो पूरे डब्बे पलटी खा गए हैं, भीतर से निकलवाने की कोशिश हो रही है उनकी। बोगियों की मतलब मेरा तो कोच नंबर 3 था, B3 था, 3-4 जो 4 नंबर तो पूरा पलटी खा गया, टेढ़ा हो गया पूरा, मतलब एकदम पूरा, मतलब कम से कम 8-10 डब्बे मतलब पूरे एकदम हो गए।
All the senior officers are in the site. Rescue operations and relief operations are going on. Almost all the passengers are shifted from the derailed train. The reasons for the incident are said to have due to sabotage, and a band was called by Mayo yesterday night, and due to that the incident has occurred. That is what I understood from the say of the people in the site. Commissioner of Railway Safety will undertake the investigation for the cause of the reasons.
The prima facie cause is likely to be sabotage because the Maoist is believed to have announced their blockade for today, and 60 kilometers ahead of this place also there is a goods train derailment caused by sabotage in which 18 wagons have derailed.
कब ये डिरेलमेंट हुई है और आप लोगों को क्या जानकारी मिली थी?
हम ये डिरेलमेंट करीब 2:15 में हुआ है और जैसे ही जानकारी हम लोगों को मिली हम लोगों ने रिलीफ ट्रेन और डॉक्टर्स को तुरंत भेजा और 1.5 घंटे के अंदर में DRM, AGM और डॉक्टर्स यहाँ पहुँच गए और साथ साथ में यहाँ पर रिलीफ का कार्य समय से शुरू हो गया। जो घायल थे उन सब लोगों को सदर अस्पताल भेज दिया गया। उसके साथ में हमारे रेलवे के डॉक्टर भी गए हैं और उनका ख्याल रखा जा रहा है।
कब तक जो ट्रैक है उसको सुदृढ़ कर लिया जाएगा? कब तक स्टार्ट होने का चांसेस है?
हम शीघ्र ही पहले एक लाइन शुरू करेंगे और तब दूसरी लाइन में समय लगेगा। उसके लिए हम लोगों ने क्रेन की दोनों से व्यवस्था की है। चारों तरफ से 2-3 क्रेन आ रहे हैं जो शीघ्र से काम कर सके, लेकिन एक लाइन को हम लोग बहुत उम्मीद है कि शाम के पहले एक लाइन चालू हो जाएगा जिससे कि कम्युनिकेशन बढ़ सकता है।
We are at Goldenganj in Chhapra, the site of the accident of New Delhi-Guwahati Rajdhani Express, and behind me are the derailed bogies of New Delhi-Guwahati Rajdhani Express. You can see the rescue workers over there. They are trying to cut through the bodies. The good news which is coming from here is that everybody who was trapped inside the bogie, they have all been rescued. Around 10 persons were injured. 4 persons unfortunately lost their life. All the injured persons have been rushed to the hospital, and now the entire railway rescue team is here to ensure that everybody not only gets a proper medical attention, but the traffic on the route is also restored. The senior railway officials, they are here. The local district administration officials, they are all here. And if I could just show you the track actually which caused this derailment, 8 bogies of New Delhi Guwahati Rajdhani Express got derailed at around 2:30 in the morning, and the crowd you see over there, these are the people, the local villagers who initially started the rescue work before any help could arrive from the local administration.
We are going straight across to our correspondent Prabhakar Kumar, who is joining us live this hour from the accident spot in Chhapra. Prabhakar, two derailments 60 kilometers apart. Why is the railway suspecting sabotage by Naxals?
See, this theory of sabotage is one thing which railway is subscribing to, but as far as the local administration is concerned, they are saying that they have no prima facie evidence of any sabotage angle. I am joined by ASP of Chhapra, Mr. Sushil Kumar. He was here. He was the first person actually who reached the spot, and he was the one who started the rescue and the rescue operation in evacuating people from the bodies which were derailed. जो ये पहले बताइए कि हुआ क्या था, पूरी घटना बताइए, आप सबसे पहले यहाँ पहुँचे।
देखिए, करीब 2:15 बजे रात के आसपास की घटना बताई जा रही है। मुझको 2:26 के आसपास फ़ोन आया, तो मैं तुरंत वहाँ से रस किया और सबको खबर किया मैंने अपने ऑफिसर्स को, और 2:52 के आसपास पर 51-52 में मैं यहाँ पहुँचा। तो बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो इधर उधर पड़े हुए थे और कुछ लोग इंजर्ड थे। उसमें से सबसे पहले तो इंजर्ड्स को हम लोगों ने भेजा हॉस्पिटल, और उसके बाद बाकी जो लोग थे, जो विक्टिम्स थे, जो बहुत
ये जो अभी एनडीआरएफ के लोग काम कर रहे हैं, ये क्या डेड बॉडीज अंदर ट्रैप्ड हैं, उसको अभी निकालने की?
जी हाँ, वो 3 बॉडीज अंदर बताई जा रही हैं। एक बॉडी इसके बाहर थोड़ा सा उसका निकला हुआ है और 2 बॉडी बोगी के अंदर में है। इसके अलावा एक और लेडी जिनको हम लोगों ने रेस्क्यू किया था, उनकी डेथ हो गई है।
सुशील जी, एक नक्सल सैबोटाज की बात आ रही है बार बार, और रेलवे ऑफिशियल्स कह रहे हैं कि इट कैन बी अ केस ऑफ नक्सल सैबोटाज।
देखिए, ऐसा है कि मैं सबसे पहले यहाँ पहुँचा तो मेरी सभी लोगों से बात भी हुई ऑपरेशन के दौरान। मैंने सबसे पूछा भी कि किस तरह से घटना हुई है, तो ये डिरेलमेंट की घटना लोग बता रहे थे, और उसके बाद प्राइमा फेसी हमारे पास कोई सबोटेज का एविडेंस अभी तक आया नहीं, बट वी आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑल एंगल्स। और जो भी फैक्ट्स है, हर फैक्ट्स को हम लोग इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं।
So there is a clear confusion regarding what caused this derailment. The local administration, the state administration here says that it does not seem to be a case of Naxal sabotage, whereas the railway officials are time and again insisting that it can be a possible case of sabotage by Naxal.
Could be a few more bodies inside, or have they cleared all the bogies now?
See, I would say that the passengers traveling on this unfortunate, this ill-fated train were very fortunate, because the way these bogies have got derailed. If I could just give you an overview of, see, if you can just see, these bogies are lying in the field. So the way these 8 bogies were derailed, the death toll could have been much higher. But only 4 people, unfortunately, lost their lives. And the railway officials are saying that it was basically the God which actually saved them, because the derailment of this nature, of this scale, usually causes much more collateral damage than what it caused here in Chhapra today.
And Prabhakar, are we any clearer on as to what caused this accident?
See, the priority for the local administration and also for the railway officials as of now is to conduct the rescue and the relief operation. They are trying to evacuate the dead bodies which are trapped inside the bogies which are derailed. And all the passengers of this particular train, the special train was already called, and they have been sent to their respective destinations. So the priority as of now is to ensure that the people who are injured, they get proper medical attention. The people who are dead, their dead bodies are sent to their homes, and those who are stranded here, they are sent back to their homes. But certainly there is a committee at Delhi, the Railway Safety Committee, which conducts inquiry into any such rail accident, and we were having a word with the local general manager here, Mr. Madhuresh Kumar, who happens to be the general manager of East Central Railway, and he said that it is that committee members who would be coming here, and they would be conducting official inquiry on behalf of the railways as to how this derailment happened.
You know, these pictures that you're getting us of the derailment, 12 bogies derailed in Chhapra. Clearly rescue work is still going on. Prabhakar, how long will it take to clear the tracks?
See, they have already called for the cranes, because these bogies, they're actually lying in the field, and to clear these bogies and to clear the track, and they will also have to lay a new track, repair this entire stretch of track which has been damaged because of this derailment. So it would at least be a day long wait before the tracks on this entire route is clear for the train traffic.
And Prabhakar, this accident is also going to disrupt services along that route. Can you shed some light on that as well?
Yeah, precisely. Most of the trains which are actually scheduled to travel on this particular route, they have all been diverted now, and they have taken a different route to reach their respective destinations. So this particular route would remain closed for another day or two, and as I told you, this entire stretch of track would be freshly laid, and only after checking the strength of the track, the railway officials would allow the plying of the train on this route.
All right, Prabhakar, as you're also pointing out that the MP from Chapra, Rajiv Pratap Rudy, is there at the site. You know, Arurendra Kumar is the railways chairperson. He is saying this could have been the work of Naxals. Now, Home Ministry sources seem to be suggesting that Naxal sabotage is very unlikely, since Chapra is not known to be an area that is affected by Naxal violence at all. My question to you is, if two derailments happen within 60 kilometers of each other, could that merely be a coincidence? Is that how it's looking?
See, Chapra traditionally is not a Naxal stronghold, and if you are talking about the other derailment of the goods train which happened in the Motihari district, which if you see the geographical distance, it is around 60 kilometers, but that particular district is a Naxal infested district, and it's a properly Naxal infested district. So derailment or sabotage by Naxals in Motihari certainly can't be.
ये रेलवे दुर्घटना हुआ है और राजधानी एक्सप्रेस जो गुवाहाटी राजधानी एक्सप्रेस है उसकी दुर्घटना हुई। लगभग 9 डिब्बे पटरी से नीचे चले आए हैं। दुर्घटना इतना भयंकर है और उस अनुपात में मुझे लगता है 4 लोगों की मौत हुई है, लगभग 8-9 लोग घायल हैं। लेकिन जो दृश्य देखने को मिल रहा है, मैं समझता हूं कि ये असामान्य दुर्घटना है और इस दुर्घटना में जिस प्रकार से सुबह ये 2:15 बजे की घटना है, 2 बजे से 3 बजे के बीच की घटना है, और जिस समय ये घटना हुआ है राजधानी एक्सप्रेस छपरा जंक्शन से आगे निकल चुकी थी, गुलटेनगंज जंक्शन के पहले, और आप देख सकते हैं कि पीछे तमाम जो डिब्बे हैं राजधानी एक्सप्रेस के वो पीछे की तरफ दिख रहे हैं। और मुझे लगता है कि ये घटना की जानकारी अनुसंधान पर ही पता चल सकेगा कि क्या ये सैबोटेज है या सामान्य दुर्घटना है। लेकिन भयावह दृश्य है और इस भयावह दृश्य में देखने से स्पष्ट लग रहा है कि अगर ये